Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing well and I'm also doing excellent. So I have one story and I'm going to share with you that what happened with me few years ago. You know when I came Kuwait at that time neither I had mobile nor money. I wanted to talk with my wife but I could not because I did not have mobile and as well money. I was thinking that when I was in Mumbai at that time I had and still I don't have. What I do? So I was thinking about my past. The thing is that when I came here I was totally new and I didn't know anything as well as I didn't know Arabic language. So when people, there were can say five people. There were five people with me, and they used to call me that and he used to speak Arabic language with me, and he used to call me that you know Arabic language in tal tal, and it means come. So I was not understanding at that time. Okay, and really if I say my journey, if I say if I tell you truth, so really it is true that I did not want to live in the Kuwait. Being a new person, I did not want to live here. I thought if I go to India, if I return back, if I return, then what will I do in India? And after spending money I came here. Okay, I am saying you that I did not have any way to go other place because I didn't know Arabic language. If I had known Arabic language at that time, I would have changed place. Somehow I started learning Arabic language and I faced lots of problem when I was learning Arabic language. But I didn't leave. I thought no matter what happens, I will learn Arabic language. Then I started learning Arabic language, and it took 2 years. And after 2 years, I learned, and I was able to speak at that time. When I spent 2 years in Kuwait, when I stayed 2 years in Kuwait, after that I was able to speak. I thought now it's okay. Then I started talking with my boss, and I started talking with my madam, and I used to cook food in the house at that time. Before coming to Kuwait, I didn't know how to cook food. So when I came here, I was totally confused. Okay, so uh, one day I was in the kitchen, and my madam uh, came in the kitchen, came and she asked me that Israel, do you know how to cook food? Do you know chili? Do you know cardamom? Do you know clove? Hmm? Do you know cinnamon? But I didn't know at that time what is the English cinnamon, long elaichi, you know, dalchini. I didn't know salt. Even I didn't know single words in English. Okay, and after that, she started teaching me, can say cook, and I also started, learning cook food, and it took 3 months. And after 3 months, I learned how to cook food. My madam was good, okay, but my boss was a little bit not good. He was totally, angry person, okay, and that's why you can say I did not used to talk to him, okay, but I used to talk with madam, and my madam was so good, and one day came to kitchen, and she told me, Israel, whatever you want to eat and whatever you need, please you tell me, because I'm going every day outside, so I will bring for you. You know, after listening this word, I got so happy, and she gave me her number. After that, I saved my number. Okay. After that, I saved number into my mobile. After that, one day when she was outside, uh, I called her, and she picked up my call, and she told me, Israel, Israel, tell me what do you want. Then I said, madam, you told me morning time that you have to cook, uh, biryani, chicken biryani. So there is no any chicken in the kitchen. Then she said, okay, okay, I forgot. She said, okay, okay, okay. So after five, within I'm coming within 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes, really she came, and she brought chicken. After that, I started chicken biryani. You know, this is was my first time. Okay, I cooked chicken biryani, and my madam ate. My madam can say son, daughter ate, and my madam, has, you can say, madam has, um, one son and one girl. Okay. After eating biryani, she started admiring me. Israel, now can say you can become good cook. You know how to cook food. You learned, okay, and I'm saying you that I hope you can say you will not leave me my house, okay, and I think you will work in my home because I have taught you, okay. So I said, okay, madam, no problem. Definitely, I will stay, in your home, because I need work, and I want to work. So if you good, and you are not scolding me, and your behavior is good, so you know how should I go? How should I go from your house, and how should I live from from your house? Okay. Then I said, okay, I will not go from your house. After that, I started working, and I kept on working for 2 years. After finishing 2 years, I told my madam, I want to go because at my home, because I have also, daughters, family, we can say family. After that, she agreed, and uh, she, took me. She gave me two tickets. After that, I went India, and I stayed 3 months at my home. After that, my madam called me that, Israel, you have finished 3 months. Now you have come. Then I said, okay, madam. After 2 days, I will come. Then after 2 days, really I came, and after coming, I was given 5,000 rupees by madam. After that, I sent to my family. After that, I started working. Then I kept on working for 3 years. You know, I spent 5 years totally in that house, but my salary was not increased. Once I, you know, talked when once I talked with madam, and I told her that madam, I have been working in your house for 5 years, but I want to, more salary, please, madam. Please, you help me because I have also, family. She told me that if you want to, you know, if you want to increase your salary, so you have to talk with your boss. Okay, because your boss is owner. Okay, then I said okay, madam. And at that time my boss was not at the home, and he was somewhere. After that, after 2 days, he came, and after that, it was morning time. I called him, and he came to me, and asked I asked I told, and I said to him that, please, then I first of all I asked that how are you. Then he said okay. Then he said, why have you called me, tell me, do you have any kind of problem? Then I said, yes, I have problem, sir. I want to increase my salary, please you increase, because I have spent 4 years in your house. She was totally, I can say, he denied it me. Okay. Then I felt very bad, but I didn't say anything. After 5 days, I called my Koiti. Then I said, sir, if you don't want to increase my salary, so please, I want to go. I want to go, we can say, from your house, and I want to change my job. And you are totally, good person. Okay. And I hope, you will give me release. After that, he agreed, and he told me, okay, you can go, no problem. Okay. And after that, I called my madam. After that, my madam told me, okay, Gerald, if you want to go, then you can go, because I'm not owner of this house. Okay. Actually, your owner is, my husband. Okay, then I thought, okay, madam, I'm going. So after 5 days, I started searching job, and after 5 days, I found job. Then I came in this place. Yeah, this is a story, and what happened with me earlier. I narrated everything. Okay. Okay, guys, thank you. And if you want to make any kind of a story, if you know tenses, models, conditional, everything, if you know, okay. And if your grammar are strong, so really I can say that you can make any kind of a story. There is no doubt. Okay, because when you speak English with any person, with yourself, okay, the only, you know you have to use only present, past, future. Sometimes